Hi, it's Leah Recor, creator of The Abundant Parent. I am a speaker, an author, I'm a coach, and I'm a mom. On Thanksgiving of 2015, I was overtaken by fear, anxiety, and hopelessness. It was my first Thanksgiving since being separated from my husband just a couple months prior. I was all alone with my kids, and without any family nearby, I just felt this bottomless well of disappointment and loneliness and anxiety. There was also a sense of devastation for everything that I was losing during that time. I wanted so much to make the holiday special for my kids, but I felt it so overwhelming. I felt I was trying to live up to expectations that where I was at the time, energetically, spiritually, psychologically, I was feeling completely overwhelmed trying to be that person. My kids were wonderful and so happy just to be with me. But for me, without the tools to cope, I couldn't stop those anxious thoughts, that overthinking from coming in and crowding out any rational thoughts. I would have to take breaks throughout the day to go into the bathroom or go into my bedroom to just cry and have these overwhelming feelings released. And then, like I know so many of you have done, I would pull it back together, I would dry my face, I would wipe the mascara off the corners of my eyes, and I would put on my brave mommy face, and I would show my kids that they were safe, because that's what children look for from their parents. They look for those cues that everything's okay. Though I had therapists and advocates and really good friends who were really helping me through these times, they couldn't be with me all the time. And it seemed like the times that I needed them most were the times when none of these people would be available, and so I was left again without the tools to cope on my own. I took this very emotional day and all of those days that came before this and all of those days that came after this. I took it very seriously. I took a lot of time to really consider my behaviors, my responses to the anxiety that I was feeling. In this self-reflection, I realized many things. I was of the opinion that I couldn't control these feelings, and so I would just ride this wave of anxiety and depression and stress and fear. I believed that somebody else had to pull me out of these feelings of depression and anxiety. I believed that I could control all of these circumstances in my life while also simultaneously not creating the boundaries that I needed to even maintain the perception of this control. These unexpected feelings of anxiety and depression, they came after years of stuffing down my feelings, not addressing what was happening, covering them up. There were layers of events creating these feelings, and through finally awakening to my unhealthy relationship with anxiety was I finally able to realize that I would really need to take charge of my relief efforts. Knowing that there are so many natural tools out there that can really support our mental health, it was at this time I rekindled my yoga practice. I started practicing meditation again. I started incorporating more breathing exercises into my day. I also at this time began studying a course in miracles and the law of attraction. I also became a student and teacher of EFT Tapping to help soothe myself and my children. All of this meant that I would need to make self-love, to make self-care a much bigger priority in my life. As a result of regular practice and showing up for myself, I have managed my own ability to manage stress and anxiety, and I'm supporting my own nervous system and physical body. I have also transformed my relationship with myself and with my kids, and I have increased our ability to manifest more effectively. I feel so free. I have created a 2-hour workshop to share with you all of the tools that I have learned along my journey and to help you be the best parent that you can be. Depression and anxiety can affect everyone quite differently, so I will be providing a lot of different tools so that you can pick and choose which are working best for you. So here's what you can expect during the 2-hour-long workshop. Breathing and meditation exercises specifically for calming the mind and soothing. I will teach you the specific meridian points of EFT tapping, and I will guide you through a tapping exercise during the workshop. I will also provide you a recorded guided tapping so that you always can refer back to that to do on your own when you need it. As someone who is a lifelong student of the law of attraction and ongoing student of CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, I will be incorporating a lot of that information and those lessons and that guidance into the workshop. You will also receive a gift bag with physical tools to really help you take the edge off, calm yourself, find that peaceful place as you leave the workshop and go back into your regular grind. Now is the perfect time to take charge of how you're dealing with your anxiety and your depression. There are tools that can really soothe you. If you are experiencing anxiety and depression, seek the advice and help of your doctor. If you'd like to sign up for the workshop, I will include the link below. I look forward to meeting you all, and as always, sending you light, love, and abundance.